motherfucker.
Hey guys, it's Kayla aka Kai Cuddy. I forgot to make an intro to the video, so this is the intro right now. My front camera is acting weird, so that's why I'm making it on my back camera. I just wanted to inform you guys that we just recently hit 500 subscribers. Yes, we just hit 500. So because of that, I will be giving away a pair of the Como de Garçons Air Force 1s. I was able to find a really good pair at Goodwill, so they are a little bit of a used pair, but they're just as brand new as, like, I guess fresh out the box. I'm leaving all of the entry giveaway information down in the description box. All you'll need to do, Cody, all you'll need to do is just be subscribed to this channel for one. Second, you'll need to be following my Instagram, and third, you'll need to be following my TikTok. And just comment down below your username for your Instagram, your username for your YouTube, and your username for your TikTok, so I can easily find you in the comments. Thank you guys so much for being subscribed. I'm sorry that my dog's in the background screaming, but I wish you guys health. Thank you so much for watching the channel. And if you're new to my channel, please let me know what you would like to see from my channel. I am Kayla. I love making DIY projects, and I also love fashion. So this channel is slowly growing, so please stick around. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're never left out on a video. Awesome. Hey guys, so I found the easiest way to make a stencil from any image that you're trying to use is just to take your phone and lay a piece of paper right over it, and just to sketch the image right onto the piece of paper from your phone. Next, you'll cut out your stencil, and then you're going to try to trace it onto the shoe. The hardest part is going to be drawing on the eyes, but just take your time, erase if you have to, and just redraw the eyes until it looks how you want it to be. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is just use acetone on the areas of the shoes that you're going to be painting. This will make the surface kind of sticky, and it will help the paint stick onto leather a lot better. The two colors you're going to need for this project is just red and black. I would recommend using a leather paint, but you can also use acrylic paint. Either way, we'll be using a finisher spray at the end, and I'll just leave all the links to the supplies in the description. I know y'all see that ghost mess with me. Okay guys, so now we're gonna pull out the red paint and start working on the heart. This part, I would just say take your time, do not rush through it. This could be probably the easiest part to do if you just take your time. After you finish your second coat of red paint on top of the heart, then you can get into the black paint and start doing the eyes. The eyes is honestly the easiest part. All you have to do is just fill in the black circles that you already made. After you finish painting the heart in the Nike swoosh, it should look like this, and honestly you could stop right here because it does look good, but if you do want to continue and have that second red swoosh under the original swoosh, just keep watching. Plus, doing the second swoosh under actually helps clean up all the little small mistakes that you probably made painting the first swoosh, so I would recommend just going ahead and doing it anyways. For the second Nike swoosh, you kind of wanted to make it seem like the first one is overlapping the second one. So instead of making it completely straight, you kind of want to make it seem like it's kind of tilted and peeking out from behind the first one. So you're going to want to start at the tip and just mimic the same curve as the first swoosh. For the tail of the second swoosh, all you have to do is just draw a line going into the first swoosh, but try to make it as straight as possible so it kind of looks like it's just hiding behind the second swoosh. And now all that's left is just to fill it in with red paint. Y'all, check out how my pencil just turns into a paintbrush right here. And I decided to add these two little hearts in the front just to give the front of the shoe a little bit more design so it's just not plain. And now you have your own custom Air Force Ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to enter to the giveaway. Have a great day. I wish you guys health.